In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact support on Facebook Marketplace in 2026, step by step. If you're having trouble with a listing, messages, account access, or a marketplace feature that isn't working correctly, Facebook gives you a couple of built-in ways to get help. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to contact support directly through Marketplace first, and then I'll show you another option using the Facebook Help Center. To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone, or go to the Facebook website on your computer. Once you're signed in, tap or click on Marketplace. This will take you to the section where buying and selling activity is managed. From there, look for your profile icon in the top right corner and select it. This opens your Marketplace account and settings area. Scroll down until you see Help or Help and Support, depending on the version of Facebook you're using. Tap that option, then choose Report a Problem. When Facebook asks which feature is affected, select Marketplace. This is important because it helps direct your issue to the correct area. Next, describe your problem in detail. Try to be clear and specific. For example, explain what happened when it started and what you were trying to do when the issue appeared. The more precise your description is, the easier it may be for support to understand the problem. If screenshots would help explain what's going wrong, attach them before submitting your report. This can be especially useful if you're seeing an error message, a missing button, or something unusual on the screen. Once everything looks good, tap Submit. If you don't see the exact support option you need, there's a second method you can use through the Facebook Help Center. Start by opening Facebook again, then tap your profile picture. From the menu, select Help and Support, and then tap Help Center. Inside the Help Center, use the search bar to look up your marketplace issue. You can search with phrases like marketplace unavailable or can't message seller. Facebook will then show articles and troubleshooting guidance related to that issue. Follow the recommended steps carefully, since many marketplace problems can be resolved there without needing a direct reply from support. As a helpful tip, if one support path doesn't give you the answer you need, try the other one as well. Facebook's menus can also vary slightly depending on your device, app version, or region, so don't worry if the wording looks a little different. That's how to contact support on Facebook Marketplace in 2026.